This is a grain cart, and we're gonna, give me a second. We're gonna fix it.
It's okay.
Not gonna help, Mr. Luck?
Okay, fine.
Sweet.
That's bent too. I think it needs to be in that hole. I'm hoping I can just weld this, even though it's cast. It's already broken. I can't make it any worse. So I started giving the MIG welder a shot, and that's what I've wanted to do. I probably should have started with that. think you can quite tell, but there's cracking now in this cog. Well, I don't think it shows up too well, but now there's, since this thing's cast iron, when you weld cast iron, you're supposed to heat it up to like, I don't know, 500 degrees if you're gonna weld it, because if you don't, it starts cracking like it is there and there and there. So these sections might just fully split off one day, but there's nothing I can really do about that. Okay, next part of the process, this this wheel that spins the cog, and you can see it's kind of bent in, so I had to, you know, quick weld on something to like crank on. So I'm gonna cut here, I'm gonna cut here and here, and then just kind of 180 it so it actually sticks out this way. That's going fast. It's going really fast. Getting peppered in the face with bloody metal shaving. Yeah, I was worried about that. What can I do about that? I think we're just gonna build it up with, well, yeah. It's a big gap. Right, I'm just gonna gap it because I need to build up weld anyway because it's so thick. I need the bigger ones. Shit. Damn it. Close. I think we'll just hold it. We can just hold it and tack it. Oh. Is that gonna work? Maybe well enough. Step by step. Little by little. As long as it doesn't snap off, who cares? I have to put it in the vise because my ground is the whole table. Fun fact, GoPros don't like sparks, so looks okay. Well, if it's cloudy, that's why. So, I'm gonna move you back. Let's say that far, and we'll be good. Enough. I think we'll just do the one. That's a little... That's a little long. That's not so good. See, that's because this thing isn't... I should weld that in place. This whole thing's bent. But I couldn't get... This is like the flathead. Whoever owned this before was just a total weirdo because they put double nuts on these bolts for no reason. This is useless. I just put it back because I didn't want to take it away from it, but this is just it's just a nightmare, this thing. Calling that good.